Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I bring you another amazing recipe, Ghana oats fried rock buns. This is so addictive and I know you are going to enjoy it. If you are new here, hello, welcome to my channel. Let's get right into it. So to my bowl, I'm adding soft flour. You can use all-purpose flour, it works perfectly. To that, I'll be adding our star, which is the oats. And I'll also go in with baking powder, salt, and also sugar. I'll be mixing this and making a well in the center. I will leave everything I used and its accurate measurements in the description box, so do check that. After I've created the well, I'm going to go in with some water. I'm not using all the quantity of water I'm supposed to use. I just want to add my pineapple and vanilla extract first. You will note that I'm not using too much because I don't want it to overpower the recipe. Then I'm adding some margarine. You know that margarine has salt in it, so if you are using unsalted butter and you do not want salt, that's fine. But if you care for a little bit of salt, you can just add a little bit of salt to it. Then mix it and start adding in the water little by little until it forms a dough. So if you are new here and you are watching me and you've not subscribed to my channel yet, my darling, please subscribe. I love to have you on this family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate your engagement. Thank you for liking and commenting, sharing. I am so grateful. So once I'm done mixing with the spoon, I'm going to go ahead and knead it with my hands. What we want to achieve is a dough that is not too firm and then not too soft. So it will be sticky, but when it's sticky, you'll be able to form the rock shapes that we are looking for. So just like you can see right now, I am picking one out for you to see. You can see that it's rough. That's the texture we are going for. This is the rock shape. So if your dough is not sticky, you can add a little bit of water or milk and it does the magic. I'm going to go ahead and add some oil in my pan and heat it until it's nice and hot. You can use a little dough to test if the oil is hot enough, and once it's hot enough, you can add in the rest of the dough. So when you're adding in the dough, you want to reduce the heat to low-medium heat because we do not want the dough to cook on the outside and be raw on the inside. Okay, so you want to fry it gently, and you can see how I'm dropping the dough. That gives the rock effect to the recipe. Okay, so once that is done, you are going to fry it on one side for some few minutes and flip it over, fry on the other side. You will keep checking on it from time to time. Okay, don't leave this and go and do something else. Please pay attention as this cooks really fast. We are back to check on our buns and they are browning beautifully, but they are not quite there yet for me. So I'm going to leave it to brown again. So if you've watched me to this point and you've not liked this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join this growing family. Our first batch is ready. We are going to go ahead and dish this out and then let the oil drain out. We don't want too much oil in our buns. Once that is set aside, we'll fry our last and final batch of rock buns. And remember, low medium heat, check on it from time to time. Please check on it so that it does not burn. And here we are, beautifully made fried rock buns with oats. The oats took it to another level. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your nice comments. Do not forget that God loves you and has a great plan for your life. Also, don't forget to like this channel, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video. Bye.